serene shores of Sri Lanka, where the sunrise paints the sky in fire and gold, lies a destination still unspoiled, still sacred, still waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Trincomalee and Nilaveli, two coastal treasures where nature, spirituality and serenity blend seamlessly into an unforgettable experience. Trincomalee, often called Trinco, is one of the oldest deepwater harbours in the world, a place that once lured ancient seafarers, traders and colonisers from east and west. Its history runs deep, with roots stretching back over 2,500 years. Perched high above the sea, the iconic Koneswaram Temple stands like a sentinel of time. Known as the Temple of 1,000 Pillars, it is a revered Hindu shrine that offers not only spiritual solace, but also breathtaking views of the endless Indian Ocean. Inside Fort Frederick, built by the Portuguese and later fortified by the Dutch and British, nature and history coexist. Gentle spotted deer roam freely, and the air is filled with the scent of incense and ocean breeze. This unique blend of colonial legacy and sacred heritage makes Trincomalee a place unlike any other. Just a short drive north, you arrive at Nilaveli, a slice of paradise that feels untouched by time. Here, the beaches stretch wide and white, the sea is crystal clear, and the peace is absolute. Nilaveli is beloved for its serenity, far from the crowds, offering a place to disconnect, breathe, and truly unwind. It's a destination where sunrise yoga, beach walks, and slow mornings become a way of life. But adventure is never far. Just offshore lies Pigeon Island National Park, one of Sri Lanka's most vibrant marine sanctuaries. Snorkeling here feels like entering another world, with vivid coral gardens, reef sharks, sea turtles, and countless tropical fish swimming just beneath the surface. For divers, photographers, and marine lovers, it's an underwater paradise, one of the few remaining protected coral ecosystems in South Asia. The charm of Trincomalee and Nilaveli is not just in their landscapes, but in their people. Warm smiles greet you in quiet fishing villages. Fresh seafood, cooked the traditional way, delights your senses. Tamil Hindu culture, vibrant and rich, adds rhythm and colour to everyday life, especially during local festivals like Vel and Kandasamy Kovil celebrations. From dolphin watching in the calm morning waters to therapeutic Ayurvedic treatments at beachside retreats, Trincomalee and Nilaveli offer something rare, a peaceful escape that still feels real, raw, and deeply connected to its roots. Here, nature is sacred, time slows down, and the soul finds space to breathe. So come, discover the hidden magic of Sri Lanka's east coast. Come to Trincomalee and Nilaveli, where the ocean meets the spirit, where the sunrise touches your heart, and where memories are made forever.